Hi, so we're looking at CAT 2019 paper slot 2. This is the second set of the DILR. So if you look at this particular question, it looks a little difficult graph, but actually this was one of a very simple question which was there. Therefore, I normally recommend not to leave a question just by looking at it. At least spend that 1 minute on reading the whole thing, unless you feel that is definitely tough. But here, if you look at the reading figures are not too much. There are only 4 lines which you have to read to understand the graph. So I would recommend that even if the graph looks tough, try to just read and understand. Maybe if the sum is easy, you can go ahead with it. So if try solving it. So I have put 4 questions, then maybe you can look at the solutions. So I'll take each question at a time. Before I put the solution, you can try solving each question and then see the solution. So if a heavy monsoon state is defined as a state with actual rainfall more than 900 mm or more. So that means we're talking of 900 mm, which is here 900 mm or more. So if you look at the x-axis is the rainfall, actual rainfall given to you out here as a x-axis, and y-axis is deviation from LPA. They mentioned what is deviation from LPA. It is for respective states in 2018. Okay, this is nothing but deviation. For example, when you say Rajasthan is plus 15%, that means deviation of Rajasthan from LPA, actual long-term rainfall, is 15% more. So we'll understand. I mean, it's not difficult. Even if you don't understand this concept, the solving itself is very easy. So we are talking of 900 mm or more. Right? What percentage of heavy monsoon states have a negative deviation? Negative means less than 10. That is negative. This is positive. Let's first look at how many values are there more than 900. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 straight away. Just 7 values which are more than 900. From that, how many have negative in negative LPA? There are 3 values which are negative LPAs. Negative is below 0. There are 3 values. So it becomes 3 out of 7, which is 42.86%. You should be comfortable with converting fraction to percentage. You should know 1 upon 7 is 14.29 or 14.28. So 3 upon 7 will automatically be 3 times of that. That will be 42.86%, which is A option. Not difficult. Next, low monsoon state is defined as actual rainfall of 750 mm or less. So 750 mm or less. Median is the middle value of LP. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 values which are there. So if you look at the middle value, will be the 5th value, which will be Assam. And what will be a deviation of it? I mean this is the highest LPA, 10 LPA, next LPA, next LPA. The middle value will be Assam with a middle LPA, 4 values above, 4 values below. And Assam has minus 10% LPA. So automatically you can make out the answer will be A option. 9 values, middle value is the 5th value. So vertically looked at first, second, third, fourth. So Assam is the 5th value. So automatically you get Assam. So once you understand the data, it is not at all difficult to calculate. There is no calculation at all, as a matter of fact. Just a little bit of looking at the data and you can make out the answers. What is the average rainfall of all the states having actual rainfall of 600 mm or less? So we want 600, including 600 as well, 600 and less with negative deviation. So we're talking of these values. Okay, 600 or less with negative deviations. So how many are there? There is 600, 600, 400, 300, 400. These are the values: 600, 600, 400, 300, 400. If you add, it becomes 2300. Average is divided by 5, 460. This is the answer. Not difficult again. Not much of calculation. The calculations are comparatively simple out here. You can do it orally also and get the answer as 460. The key is to comprehend the data properly and then get the answer as quickly as possible. Here there is a little bit of calculation. So technically, if you were to solve these 3 questions also was sufficient in this set. If by chance you found it difficult to understand the 4th set, the first 3 questions were really easy. If you don't understand the 4th question, you can leave it. If you understand, go ahead solving it. The LPA of a state in a year is defined as the average rainfall of the preceding 10 years. considering the period June to August. For example, LPA for 2018 is average of 2009 to 18. Remember, what we are given out here is based on LPA of 2018. This is all based on LPA of 2018. For 2019 is 2010 to 19. They also observed that the actual rainfall of Gujarat in 2019 is 20% more than in rainfall in 2009. So what is 2009 rainfall in Gujarat? 600. 600 is 20% more than that in 2009. So what is the rainfall in 2009? So if you look at, you can calculate. Technically it's very simple. 600 divided by 1.2, because 600 comes from increase of 20%. So to divide 600 by 1 plus 20%, which is 600 upon 1.2, which is 500. Or you can do 2009 be x plus 20% of x will be 600. But this is a little lengthy calculation. You will get 500, but I would rather prefer that you directly do 600 upon 1.2 and then get 500. The moment, every second or every minute that you save, or every small time that you save, it helps to solve more sums and get more marks. So I know 2009 is 500. 2019 is 600. That's what we get. Now let's look at trying to solve this sum further. Now it is observed that actual rainfall in Gujarat is, and what is the LPA of 2018? We know rainfall is 600 and they're given the deviation from LPA is 25%. This is 25%. That means again you can do the same thing. So what was the LPA? 600 upon 1.25, because 600 you get after 25% increase of LPA. So before that it will be 600 upon 1.25 or 600 upon 5 into 4, which will give you 480. So LPA was 480 previously till 2018. So 480 was the LPA, plus there was an increase. Change in total is 100. From 500 to 600 is a change in total. The formula which I normally devise, change in average is equal to change in total upon n. That's the formula I normally use. Change in total is how much? 100, because it's changed from 500 to 600. And how many values are there? 10 values. So change in average will be 10. So that means the new value will be 480 plus 10, 490. The calculation is not tedious. You can actually do this mentally. What you do? The original value, previous value is 20% lesser than 600. So you get 600 after increase of 20%. So 600 upon 1.2 you should know is 500. LPA old is, you get, this is 25% more than the LPA 600. So the LPA will be 600 upon 1.25, which is 480. Then change in average. Change in average is from 2009 to 2019. What is the change? 100 and for 10 values. So change in average will be 10. So automatically 480 plus 10 will give you 490. That will be the answer. So 3 were easy. The last one was little complicated. But even if you could solve 3 sums, fine. If you're looking at high marks, I think you could solve all the 4 sums. The calculation was not difficult. Understand this. If you're good at calculation, you can solve this type of question, the 4th question, quite fast. If you're weak at calculation, you will take a long time to solve this last question. So therefore, calculation becomes important, because you save time on calculation, you will automatically save time and solve more questions. So be comfortable with calculations, specifically if you can do it mentally, call it more grit. Right? Thank you.